Hi students, how are you all? I hope you are enjoying your holidays with online teaching. See, in the first video, I have introduced the lesson. The name of the lesson is the universe. In this lesson, we are going to learn so many important things that we never heard about it before. In the solar system, and the sun, moon, and the stars and their work, what are they doing in the sun, how they are, and etc. things we are going to learn in this lesson. So listen carefully this and try to understand what I am trying to tell you. Okay, now we are going to see the stars. See, here on the screen you can see the moon and the stars. Now stars are a large heavenly bodies that have their own light and gives out heat. Now see, in this first sentence they have told that the stars are there and they have their own light and they are giving heat. There are millions of stars in the universe. Now you can see here on this picture also there are millions of stars. So many stars are there that we cannot count. We can see them twinkle only in the night sky, and we are looking the stars only in the night sky. We don't see the stars in during the day. Have you wondered why we cannot see the stars during the day? Yes, the same question also I had. It is also I think you also get this question, that we cannot see the stars during the day. So they have given the answer also. This is because the light of the sun is so bright that we are not able to see the light from the stars. Now see what they are telling here. Because during the day we can see the sun and sun is bright. Because of brightness of the sun we are not able to see the stars during the day. If stars are large bodies, why do they appear very small? Now see, they are telling here very important questions. Now we have seen one sentence that stars are large heavenly bodies. If they are large, so why they look so small? Because they are very far from us. Why we are looking this star small? Because they are very small, far away from us. Now we have discussed about the sun. We will learn more deep in the sun, about sun. The sun is the nearest star to the earth. It is a hot ball of burning gases and gives us heat and light. Now see, you all know that we can see sun in the day and sun is giving us light. Because of brightness of the sun we are able to see the things in a day. It is due to the heat and light from the sun that life is possible on the earth. Because of sun we all are living on the earth. Without sun it is not possible for all the human beings, all the living things to live on the earth. So see how sun is important for the all living things. Planets and their moons are like a big family. This is called the solar system. Now see, after the sun we are going to learn about the solar systems. And the sun and the planets, they are making a one family. It's called the solar system. Okay, now we are going to learn about the solar system. Here on the screen you can see the sun and 8 planets. See, here in the corner you can see the burning sun, and from the sun these all 8 planets are getting the light, heat. What is the first one? Here you can see the Mercury is there, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. The sun, planets, and their moons are like a big family. This family is called the solar system. The sun is at the center of the solar system. Now, see here on the screen also you can see the sun. They have given in the center of the solar system. The sun is stationary and the planet move around the sun. Now see, the sun is stationary and these all planets are moving around the sun in fixed path, and these all the planets, they have their own fixed path. The path along which a planet move it's called its orbit. And see, in the way, in the path these all planets are moving, it's called its orbit. It's very important, you have to keep in your mind and understand that how these planets are moving around it. and the way they are using to move around the sun, it's called its orbit. Planets do not have light of their own. And now see, in the first picture, first screen, we have seen that about the stars. The stars, they have their own light and they are giving out heat, but it's not the same with the planets. The planets, they don't have their own light. There are 8 planets in the solar system. Now see, this question will be come to your exam, that how many planets are there in the solar system. So it's very easy to answer you. There are 8 planets in the solar system. They in the order of increasing distance from the sun. Now see, you can see here they are in order increasing from the sun. So we will understand their order: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. See, they have given here all the 8 names of the planets. And from these 8 planets, we are living on one planet among them. It is a Earth. It's also very important that on which planet we are living? We are living on the Earth. Did you know, it's very important that, see, we have discussed about the 8 planets, but before it was the 9. And which is the ninth one? Let's see. Earlier there were 9 planets in the solar system. Pluto was the ninth planet. It was the farthest planet in the solar system. But now Pluto is considered as a dwarf planet because it is very small in the size and cannot be called a planet. Now see, before there were 9 planets they used to consider in the solar system. Now they have dropped the Pluto because it's a dwarf planet and it is small in size and cannot be called a planet. So I hope students you may have understood this video whatever I have tried to explain you. Please, if you like my video, subscribe it, like it and share it. Thank you.